Hello, I am Manushveer Gote and I am a student of Ajinkya Deva Patil, pursuing my degree in BCA CTIS third year. Today I am going to present my internship review on Techligence as a graphic designer. As a graphic designer, we create the look and feel of a website. Me and my team members create the look and feel of a website where we meet with the clients online or in person for their requirements to be portrayed on the website. Once the detail are determined, uh, they create layouts, designs, and features that displays the client's services in a way appealing to the target audience. This is about the company. Techligence intends to provide an opportunity to the students who have an unique notion and also desires to build their own startups. Techligence groups comes with a concept that intends to provide an opportunity to the students who have unique notion about their desires for their own startups. Introduction. In Technologians, we as a graphic designer, we create the look and the feel of the website, same as the before. Uh, my job profile, I work on a graphic design across the board. So this involves coming up with creative ideas and developing designs for everything from leaflets, posters, press adverts, logos, corporate brochures, and magazine works to exhibition stands. I come with a creative graphics that would be used in sort of all designs across different types of printed material, and I also do design for interactive websites and screen-based media. If you can imagine all things you can see in the world that have been printed, everything that comes to a letterbox, every advert on a billboard has been made by a graphic design. The objective of my job. The objective of my job is we need to be personal and able to talk to the people. We need to be quite good communication skills for dealing with clients and customers. Obviously, we need creativity, some level of artistic ability, and some good knowledge of graphic design and typefaces. We also need to be stay fairly calm in a crisis because you can be working fairly tight deadlines and find that you are against the clock sometimes. What are the changes that will be in the future? Well, the design industry in terms of technology that is used and the mediums to which are applied is changing all the time. But the fundamental aspects of the creative thinking and drawing up ideas and visuals on a pad won't change that much. Of course, the software will develop, so we have got better ways of creating and generating graphics and visuals to show to clients. The biggest challenges in my job. One of the biggest challenges of my job is coming up with fresh ideas. When you are faced with a blank piece of paper, it can be challenging to fill it with creative ideas. Some days you are feeling more creative than others, and it's a case of really trying to dig deep to get the creative juice flowing. Other days you can creative juice are flowing perfectly and you can just get on to the design. Another challenge can be working around the clock to meet a deadline. Sometimes just communicating your ideas to the client can be challenging. Although you got to listen to their thoughts, you want to try and make them aware of thinking as well and explain to them key points about the concept that you have come with. It can also be a challenge keeping up to date with the latest software. It's a big challenge for the instance learning the software. Although that's probably something you would do on your design course, but normally you are thrown in a bit deep when you are get your first job in the graphic design. What do I like my job? I like that fact I get to think of new creative ideas on a daily basis. I also get to meet a lot of different people's clients and other designers too. The design industry is quite sociable, so it's nice to meet people. They can be quite sociable out of office too, and you have gotten invited to the design agencies functions and that kind of thing. It's certainly a good deal of job satisfaction to be ha- to be had from a being graphic designer because you get to see your ideas in print. Well, what do I dislike my job? Well, I dislike that sometimes it can be mean working to the tight deadlines, working slightly long hours to get job out of your door. So that's one of the downsides. Occasionally you can be called up to work mere evenings or weekends, but then I suppose that's all part of the parcel of the territory. That's not really like that I dislike about my job. Aside from that, it can generally judge the pressure of the deadlines. Occasionally clients that can be possibly to be a bit demanding in terms of what they like and don't. My ambitions. Well, I'm a freelance designer, so in a way, it was one of my biggest ambitions to be a freelance and not be able to work for myself. But having achieved that, looking to the future, what I really want to do is to work on the most creative work that I can. I particularly do a lot of screen-based media, and it's my ambition and involve myself as much as I can in creative projects rather than doing much lower level design work. I would like to work on the concept stage of design, so that's really my ambition for the future. I would never really thought about expanding to my employ anybody else, but again, it's not possible that might be an option and in the future. I'll just take it as it comes and go from there. Thank you.